Hello everyone, welcome to your on channel IQ Maintainer. My dear students, as you know, we were discussing about the chapter solution, and I think 4 or 5 videos we have already discussed, and a few topics we have already completed, and now we are going to discuss about the most important topic from the chapter solution, and that is normality. Okay, now let us talk about normality. Normality. What is normality? Normality is the number of gram equivalents of the solute dissolved per liter of the solution. Okay. Now, firstly we will write the definition. It is the number of gram, the number of gram, the number of gram equivalents 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 of the solute dissolved per liter of the solution. Per liter of the solution, and normality is denoted by capital N. Okay, it is denoted by capital N. Clear? Now one question is arising from the definition, because in the definition it is written here, it is the number of gram equivalents. What is the means of gram equivalents? Yes, we will discuss in the same topic. Firstly, we are going to write here the formula of normality. Okay, normality is equal to number of gram equivalents of solute, number of gram equivalents of solute by volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter. Clear? Or if in ml given, then same thing we will write here, number of gram equivalent of solute by volume of solution in ml into 100, not 100,000, because you know already 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. That's why we will write here. What is the unit of normality? Unit of normality is gram equivalent per liter. Unit. Gram equivalent per liter. Okay, then what is gram equivalent? What is gram equivalent of solute? Gram equivalent of solute. Gram equivalent of solute is equal to mass of solute by equivalent mass. And one more question is arising from equivalent mass. What is equivalent mass? Equivalent mass means molar mass by basicity. Molar mass of equivalent mass is equal to molar mass if anything is the molar mass by, if acid is given then basicity, acid, if a base is given then acidity. We can find out the equivalent mass. Okay, now one example we are going to discuss about, that is most important on the basis of this topic. Okay, let us talk about example, thereafter you will understand the topic properly. Okay, example is written here. Calculate the normality of solution containing 31.5 gram of hydrated oxalic acid. Hydrated oxalic acid, and formula of hydrated oxalic acid is H2C2O4 into 2H2O. Why 2H2? Because of hydrated. If hydrated copper sulfate, then CuSO4 into 5H2O. Okay, hydrated sodium carbonate decahydrate, sodium carbonate decahydrate, then sodium carbonate Na2CO3 10H2O. These all are hydrated form. Okay, if hydrated form is given, then H2O is added with them. Okay, now already oxalic acid in 1250 ml of solution, not ml, mole per liter of solution. Clear? Now let us talk how will we solve this question. It is very easy question. Mass of oxalic acid is given. Mass of oxalic acid is given 31.5 gram. Okay, and already equivalent mass or equivalent weight we have to find out. Equivalent of oxalic acid, equivalent weight of oxalic acid is equal to 31.5 and given mass by equivalent mass. Okay, then equivalent mass is 63. Okay, how 63? Let us talk. H2C2O4. Firstly, we have to find molar mass. What is the molar mass? Means we have to find out the already here 63 and 63 equivalent mass 63. How will you find the equivalent mass? We have to find out equivalent mass we have to find out. Then firstly we will find out the what? Molar mass of H2C2O4 into 2H2O. Okay, now H2 in 1 into 2 plus 12 into 2 plus 16 into 4 plus 2 into H2O 18. Okay, we will get 126. This is the molar mass. This is the molar mass. Equivalent mass is equal to molar mass by, this is the oxalic acid, then acid have basicity, and by basicity of H2C2O4, H2 means 2. We will put the value, then we will get molar mass is 126 by 2. 2 is the basicity of the oxalic acid, then we will get 63. This is the equivalent mass. Clear? And we will put here 63. We will get 0.5. Basicity, about basicity you have already discussed in the class 11. Okay, I will also teach you, don't worry. 0.5. okay, this is the equivalent 0.5. Now volume of solution is given already. Volume of solution is equal to 1250 ml. Clear? Now what is the normality? Normality is equal to, normality formula number of gram equivalent of solid by volume of solution in ml into 1000. Okay, normality. So already number of gram equivalent of solid given 0.5. we have find out just now. This is the, okay, 0.5 by 1250 ml into 1000. Okay, and now if you will solve this one, you will get 0.4 normal n. This is the answer. Okay, I hope you understand properly this topic. I am going to give you one question based on the same topic, and thereafter you have to solve this one and you have to write the answer in the comment box. If any doubt will be there, you may ask the question in the comment box. I will definitely solve that question. One question I am going to give you. Calculate the normality of, question for you, calculate the normality of solution containing 98 gram of H2SO4 in 750 ml of solution. This question is for you. You have to solve this one and you have to write the answer in the comment box. Okay, I hope you understand the topic which I have taught you. Thank you. Have a nice day.